We'll have 5 stalls along here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the tack room. Wall goes to the ceiling. Door to enter. Laundry, bathroom. And then wash rack area for the horse, cross ties. Dogs in the water. Which is just that's left over from when we didn't have a roof. So that should dry out pretty quick. And then this is the feed room. It'll have like a roll up metal door, like a storage unit. And then we'll put like the hay along here and the shavings, I think. And this is a 4-foot door. Be a slider. We got this all nice and big, so we can just come right in with a tractor or whatever. And then the arena, Catherine's new arena I've been working on.